do apologize for the echo. There's not a lot of items in this room currently, so that's why the echo is so loud. So I do apologize about that. Hello everyone, this is Randy and welcome back to a brand new video. Now, I know all of you must be wondering, Randy, where are you? I recently moved. So this was the main reason why I hadn't really been active on YouTube lately. I've been packing, I've been unpacking. I still have so many things I need to put up in my bedroom, so many things I need to put up in my bathroom, and so many things that I have to put up in this room here. And I also can't wait to make many YouTube videos in this room as well. This entertainment room is going to be awesome. I cannot wait to show you guys the final product. Be on the lookout for a room tour or two in the near future. So this was all I had to say in this quick other or life updates video. And yeah, moving so far hasn't been too bad. I'm just really glad that me and my family and my animals are finally in this house. We've been waiting to be in this house for almost a year. So I really am glad that we're finally in it. I hope you enjoyed this quick life update video. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. All that will be greatly appreciated. And until then, this has been Randy. I will see you guys in the next video. And as always, take care. Bye guys.